Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to generate this pattern using this string which looks something like this. You can see here I'm going to generate using this particular string by writing some program. So let's get started. Let me define a variable with name str and let's keep it as empty, and then I'll be using for of loop. Let char of string and let me print, or I'll be using assignment operator to append each time one character. So let me write this and then let me print and see what I'm going to get after this particular code. So let me write this str and the same code. Let me go to terminal and print it over here. You can see it is printing at each time with one character, and I am anticipating to print at least one character 4 times. So for that, what I'll be doing, I'll be wrapping this console with another for loop for let I equals 0, I less than 4, I plus plus. So I'll be wrapping this one with the for loop, and then let me go back to terminal and let me clear it out, and then let me print it, and here it is, the result what I was anticipating. I'm able to print it here. So that's it. Thank you.